Hello everybody, and it's Gamer Lane again. Another toy reviews, and I got some more Puppy in my pockets. So I will open them now. Finally! I got this! Finally!
Oh, I love it.
Those guys. I love it. It's beautiful!
Which one is it?
It doesn't have a name, but it's one of those. It's the same one those people got on the Oh yeah, the video. So I'll open the.
But is it is it like something special? Is it?
It's a ultra rare ones. And I got Lady, the dog Lady again. Okay, so yeah, I've already checked it out. So see what's in this. Oh, another one of those sheepdog things. So another one of the sheepdogs. Keep all the trash together. I can't believe I got one of the sparkly ones. Oh, I love it. Where is the opening thing? Is this a new one? It is. I have one like this one. Where's the one I have like it? Okay, so this is the one I have like it.
Oh, but they're not just alike, are they?
Yeah, they're not. They're different.
Which is the new one? That's the new one. Oh.
So, I need to check that one off. And she's the Greta. She's an Afghan.
Greta the Afghan.
This is like a Hannah Apso.
Masa Apsa?
Yes. Finally.
And what's the sparkly one?
It looks more like a pug or a blue dog. I mean, a bulldog. It doesn't have a name. None of them do. So, I guess this is bye for now. So,